This is Packet Tracer Activity 5.3.2.5, exploring the Cisco iOS CLI, which is command line interface. Basically, we're just getting used to dealing with the command line. So there's no grading on this one. And what they want us to do to begin with is to use the terminal emulation software on the PC to connect to the router. So we go to the PC, go to Desktop, Terminal, and press Enter. So we're in Customer Router. This is the user exec mode. And then it says, at the router command prompt, type ? You can see it puts in the commands, or recommended commands. Gives you a little bit information of what you might want to type in. So we're going to do E ? N ? and then you press Enter. And now you're in privilege mode. So now they would like us to type in C and press the tab key. Nothing happened. It just repeated it. It's not a full command. So there's so nothing will happen with this. So if you go ONF and then press the tab key, it fills in configure. Now let's do a ? and we'll configure from the terminal. And the CR indicates, as they say, there are no other parameters that can be added to the configure command. When you press Enter, it asks you, well, what do you want to use? And whatever is in brackets is, if you hit Enter again, that is the default. That's what it's going to go into. So it's going to go into config T. We're just going to get out of that. Now we're into just regular privilege mode. And type in CON and press Enter. Ambiguous command. If you type in configure, if you make a spelling error, TRM and all, and you push Enter, it'll show you where your mistake is shows you at the mark. So somewhere in here there is a problem with your command. And it was good up until that point. This will help with a lot of spelling errors. Now if we want to recall the last command entered, Control P, that is the last one that was entered. You can scroll through the history buffer by repeatedly pressing that Control P. You can also use your arrow keys, which seems like an easier way to go. If you just want to show the last 10 commands used, show history. And there's everything that you've done. If you're just in user, if you do show history, say if you do configure terminal, it's not going to let you. So you can either do exit to switch between the two, or you can do disable. And that's that.